Contestant number 1, here's your topic.
Number 3.
Huh?
Contestant number 3.
Contestant number 3. Sorry, I'm 65. 66 now. If you could trade with your parents for one day, what would you do differently? I repeat. If you could trade places with your parents for one day, what would you do differently? Contestant number 3, JoshuaTorres.
Growing up, I didn't really see the value in parenthood. I didn't like the way I was raised growing up. Because I always thought that my parents weren't the kind of people who would utter words such as I love you, such as I'm here for you. They weren't. And then now that I started working, I see how much they truly cared for me. Imagine coming home to Santa Rosa, going to Makati every single day. That would take 4 hours of travel. And my dad, he just wake up and then go to the car and then drive me there. And then when I realized how hard that was, I got convicted. There were times where I would wish that I had different parents. Because, why is your dad like this? Why is your mom like this? They'd always say that they love you, or they're a high-ranking executive. And my parents, they're just mediocre. Or so I thought. And now thinking about how much they served me, how my dad would wake up at 5 a.m., take me to Makati to go to his work in BGC, go through that 2-hour hell of a traffic, and then 2 hours going back. That's tough. And if I'm gonna switch places with him, honestly, I'm not gonna change anything. Now I just wish that I become half the parent of what they are. Because unlike other families that I've seen who prioritizes the work of their careers and other things, they prioritize other things. My dad, my mom never made me feel like I was less of a priority. That they'd always make time for me. And now my dad is sick. And I can't just help but just feel sad for leaving him. But if I were to trade with him places, I'm not gonna change anything. Thank you.